Oh, darling, where did our love go? In the midnight hour, when the shadows creep low, I reach for your hand, but it's just empty air. Those sweet summer nights under the neon glow, now they're ghosts in my mind, and you're no longer there. I gave you my soul, wrapped in ribbons of blue, but you walked out the door, left me drowning in tears. This heartache's a river, too deep and too true, washing away all the dreams of our years. Oh, my faded heartbeat, it's calling your name through the rain on the window. It's always the same. Love's a cruel whisper, a flame turned to ash. Without you beside me, my world's in a crash. Faded heartbeat, won't you set me free from this lonesome blues that's killing me? Remember the dances, the way that we'd sway to the rhythm of hearts beating wild and so free. Now the music's all static, the color's gone gray, and I'm lost in the silence, just you and just me. I pray to the stars, but they don't hear my plea for a love that's departed like smoke in the wind. This pain in my chest, it's a lock without key, trapped in the echoes where our story begins. Oh, my faded heartbeat, it's calling your name through the rain on the window. It's always the same. Love's a cruel whisper, a flame turned to ash. Without you beside me, my world's in a crash. Faded heartbeat, won't you set me free from this lonesome blues that's killing me? If I could turn back the clock, I'd hold you so tight. turn right. But time's a thief in the night, stealing love from my side, leaving only this sorrow, this endless midnight. Heartbeat.